penultimate round, the MotoGP World Championship.
Pedrosa, Marquez, Rossi on the front row. Row 2, Lorenzo, Crutchlow and Andrea Iannone.
Row 3, Andrea Dovizioso, Maverick Vinales and Bradley Smith. Row 4, Aleix Espargaro, Paul Espargaro fit and Danilo Petrucci.
Row 5 headed by Stefan Bradl, Scott Redding and Jack Miller. Row 6, Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Bar. Will we have a new 2015 MotoGP World Champion? Back in the market. Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out. The good start as it up towards turn 4.
Rossi's on the grass.
Match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at Those leading the sighting lap, and that's a good start as it up towards turn 4. Dylan. Track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine. It is quite hot and humid. It is a little bit warmer than it was in Moto2, but the good thing is this rain that they thought might come has stayed away.
Well, Lorenzo then cuts back over, closes the door.
Pedrosa's body position. What a monster front ender.
Petrucci and Rossi are coming. No, sir, he's down! Zarco's down!
Kunaon, aduh. Ayo. Ini mang kunaon. Aduh, mang ketabrak ieu. Aduh. Mang eta maneh kerenan mang. Aduh, aing geus sepeda nangnya. Kuat mang bantuan bisa ka susu. Aduh, aing balap aduh anjing. Dadah, kuat. Mang ampura mang. Aduh. Anjing ieu jok tadi. Udah mas tadi.
Pedrosa's body position. What a monster front ender. Yeah, almost there.
Petrucci and Rossi are coming. No, sir, he's down! Zarco's down! And turn 8! Down the road. Too hot.
He was in wide and hot. Trail braking in.
Oh, he's down! He's down at La Chapelle. Andrea Dovizioso goes down.
On Hoy Lorenzo, he got it unsettled, didn't he?
Those leading the sighting lap, and that's a good start as it up towards turn 4. Dylan.
Oh, that's a huge high side.
Anjing puas lah buta rasa kayak bisian terbalak mang tuh aduh nyusul si itu mang kamar bawa keciang.
Rossi's on the grass. Oh! Oh, he's gone. He's going to knock him off. Oh, on earth has he done it? He's done it again.
Rossi's on the grass.
Those leading the sighting lap, and that's a good start as it up towards turn 4. Dylan.
Anjing puas lah aing ka hiji meunang. Goblok we. Anjing licik. Oh iya anjing yuk. Licik anjing sebenarnya.
Track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine.
Halondo wis ngocor ieu teh. Ai, naik ngojek aing. Ngojek ai. Halondo wis ngocor ieu teh. Ai, naik ngojek aing mah. Ngojek ai. Tanya, para kamu. Oh, jangan apa, tekan bom. Bom. Buat.
Very fine. It is quite hot and humid. It is a little bit warmer than it was in.
Oi. Budak malila. Kajinya salat tuh. Budak lah. Capek anjing.
Thing is, this rain that they thought might come has stayed away. That doesn't mean that the teams won't be prepared. There could be a few interesting things with regards to wet tyre choice. Should they need to switch out.
Iya, tadi anjing, aing kahiji, nu penting mah dijebarkeun goblok. Kamu tadi ku jebarkeun mah we kahiji bieu teh anjing tah ngeudikian.
Eleh mah eleh.
Eleh mah eleh. Penting mah
Aing tuh nyeri nu kieu mah.
ya sudah.
Namanya juga
permainan,
pertarungan mun
Oh,
ka kieu.
kita udah pong lah.
Yo tuh tarung deui mah.
Kahiji nya, Bos.
Siput mun.
Tuh dengan jebain
sudah. Geus eleh mah lah.
Ting hadiahnya naonnya euy? Ngaliwat.
Temuan, ayam liwat.
Ngaliwat.
Ini hadiah.
Anjing mah.
Jadi juara kedua saya serahkan pada Kikoy. Iya.
Juara.
Persiapan untuk barbar, swing barbar, bengkel atau jauh, PMX. Ini budak paung aya tadi dia aya na mata. Tunu ucul. Juara badminton KRT. Iya, peserta na hiji.
Bitu.
Sayangna nu yeuna bitu.
Tuh.
Ya, dia dibulit tuh.
Udah, foto dia lah. Ayo. Dia kan mau lomba ngaliwat dagang we mana jadi pasar.
Geribah kang layar anjis. Barudak naon itu. Kakak. Naon itu barudak naon. Anjis. Kang layar. Sah hiji deui eta.